an old pal of mine. Departed from us far too early, but now we're meeting a second time. We used to have such fun together.